Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for the continuous love and support that you guys have been doing on my channel. It does not go unnoticed. Thank you so much. If you're new here today, my name is Jess. Feel free to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit those little notifications so you can get notified when I post any kind of video which could be related to beauty, lifestyle, self-care, unboxings, all that good stuff. So yeah, please join the familia. Also, and like always, I want to say that I do hope that everyone is staying healthy, well, and safe as much as possible during these crazy times. But anyway, I love you guys. Thank you again. Let's jump straight into it. Today I'm going to be doing a BoxyCharm unboxing. I do get two different BoxyCharm boxes. One is premium and one is base box. I was waiting for the other one to come in, but this one came first and I didn't want to wait for the other ones to come in, so I said screw it, let's go ahead and unbox this one. So today I will be doing BoxyCharm Premium. And for BoxyCharm Premium, basically it is a $35 monthly subscription. It comes with 6 to 7 full-size products that could be anything beauty, skincare, and some lifestyle as well nowadays. And the amount can be over $175. Oh, what else about that? Oh, and I think once a month you actually get to choose one item in the box that you get an email and you get to choose. But anyway, yeah, so that's basically what it is. And this is our BoxyCharm box for this month. This is May Premium. It's a little bit larger than usual. I did go ahead and open it because I kind of wanted to see what to prep for. This time it did not come with my little card, which it always has came with, and this time it did not. So this is how it opens up. All the stuff is kind of in there. Like I said, there's no card, so I can't tell you what the theme of it is or what variation number it is. But I did go ahead and look up the prices of everything, so I can still kind of let you guys know what that is. And I also found out, for those of you who are interested, the weight of this box is 1.8 pounds. I know that some people sometimes do ask that. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into it. And the first thing I see here is this Eye Concentrate by Skin&Co Aroma Truffle Therapy. This is what the packaging looks like. I actually love the products from this brand. I have the oil, the toner, like a moisturizer, and I love the way they smell. It smells really good. So I'm kind of glad that I got this because I do not have an eye concentrate. This looks like it's a 15 milliliter, 50.50 fluid ounce. Anyway, this is what the packaging looks like, and like I said, I did look it up and I wrote everything on my little paper here. This one looks like it retails at, what the hell? Yeah, $66. Yikes. Okay, well anyway, I'm really grateful for this then. I think, oh shoot, I didn't mean to open it like that. It smells just like the other products. Kind of smells like coconutty, very fresh. It's very white. Let me see what the consistency looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and pack some here. Yeah, it's kind of, yeah, I'm gonna, oops, kill myself over here. I'm just gonna go ahead and dot it around my eyes. I do have some concealer and some stuff on already, but just to kind of get like an overall feel for it and see how it feels. I just put this thing on my chin. I think I put too much on, but yeah, I love the consistency. It's not very tacky. Actually, it's a tiny bit tacky, but nothing crazy. The smell is amazing. Like I said, I know for a fact I really do love this product, so I'm not mad about the fact that I did get this. That's the first item in the box. Next, moving on, I didn't know originally if I was going to open this on camera or if I was going to hold it on for the giveaway, which, like I told you guys, make sure you guys are subscribing, liking, and everything like that, because once I get to 500, I plan on doing a massive giveaway, which I have a whole bunch of stuff that have been coming out of some of these BoxyCharm and some other good stuff coming in there. But I decided I'm going to go ahead and open this. This is by the brand called Pure Heals. I looked it up and it says that it's a serum. It's $20. It basically says that it relieves irritations of sensitive skin and strengthens the skin barrier. It's basically after you cleanse your face. It's supposed to be after you cleanse your face and after you tone your face. This is supposed to go patted into your face, and it's supposed to kind of help your skin all together. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and open it for you guys. I'm not putting this one in the giveaway. I'm just gonna open it because I did kind of want to check it out. First thing I do, of course, is I'm gonna smell it. I personally don't like the smell. It's definitely clear. You can see, I don't know if you can see, but okay. Definitely like a serum and very clear. The smell smells like smells like something that my grandmother, some kind of herbal thing that she used to make me when I was little. Yeah, it's not tacky. The consistency is very fine. I don't mind the consistency. I just don't like the smells. And if you guys know me, I'm really weird when it comes to smells and noises. But anyways, besides the point. I'm just going to pat this on my face to kind of see how it feels. Like I said, this is supposed to be after you cleanse and after you tone your face. And then you're supposed to just kind of pat it along. I do have concealer and foundation on, but hey, I don't know. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. Other than the smell, it smells, it feels very nice on the skin. I'm sure it does work wonders because I did look it up on the reviews and they said that people actually do like it and that it's really good for acne as well. So that's something pretty cool. Moving on, I'm going to see what I got here. I have something by Kat Von D, and this is 24 Hour Super Brow Long Wear Pomade. This is in the shade Dark Brown. I'm going to go ahead and keep it all the way real with you guys. I actually have never worn any kind of pomade on my eyebrows, but we're going to try today. This is what the packaging looks like. Since it is dark brown, it has a nice little packaging. This is dark brown as well. I smell everything. It doesn't smell like nothing. It looks really, really pretty. Kind of looks like the ones that you use for eyeliner, but obviously it's for your eyebrows. So I'm kind of nervous about this one because like I said, I've never tried it. So I'm going to go ahead and try it out. I'm going to go ahead and dig in with this. Actually was something that was given to me last month on in BoxyCharm. So I'm just going to do a little swatch over here of the color. It's nice and pigmented. I actually really like the color. Hopefully it's not too dark for my face because I am pale as hell right now. I don't know if I said it already, but this retails at $20. And it does say that it's supposed to be 24-hour, waterproof, high pigment. That's basically it. So let me go ahead and see what I can figure out with this, all right? I'll be right back. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Alright guys, I am back and this is very, very, very pigmented. Usually every eyebrow pencil, everything that I use on my eyebrows, I usually do like an espresso, a dark brown, because my eyebrows, you know, they're between like a dirty blonde and a brown kind of color, so I always go a little bit darker. This is extremely pigmented. It actually kind of looks like the first day that I walk out after I get my eyebrows done. Obviously it was my first time, so I don't have much experience in doing them myself. I just kind of wanted to do something quick, but the pigment is there. I don't mind it. I just think that I need to perfect this you know. I feel like Spock. Oh my gosh. But hey, it is what it is. I wanted to show you guys what it looked like. I'm not an expert, but there it is. So that's that. Overall, probably will like that product. I just got to get used to it. Moving on, we have something here by Too Faced, and this is an eyeshadow palette called Natural Matte. This is what the packaging looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and open that. Natural Matte retails at $38. I actually saw this one as a review, and I thought it was very, very pretty. It comes with this little, oh, this is nice, it's like a little booklet that gives you a couple of ideas of eye looks. So that's kind of cool. And this is the packaging. The packaging is really pretty. It's sleek. It's kind of nude, matte, basically my type of thing. And when you open it up, it does have a mirror right here. And these are the shades. As you can see, we have some like pale pinks, nudes, some mauves. Yeah, like I don't know. It's really, really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these for you. That way you guys can see exactly what it is that they look like. So give me a second. I'll go ahead and do that for you. Alright guys, so this is what it's looking like. The colors are absolutely beautiful. They're very nice and nude. So starting from, I think for you guys it'd be left to right, I don't know. But anyway, from right here, you got Heaven, then you have Nude Goals, followed by Lace Truly. Then you have Less is More, followed by Cleavage, Au Naturel, Sexpert, Risky Biz, and Hookup. So that's what the colors look like. Alright, and what I'm going to do, of course, I would not be reviewing them or giving you my first impression if I did not actually try them on. So I'm going to do a quick little makeup look to just try some of the shades, and I'll let you guys know what I think afterwards. Oh my god, these eyebrows, every time I look up, I just feel like they're like, Oh my god, they are very dark, very pigmented, but hey, I don't think they're gonna go anywhere either. I think that actually is 24 hours. Let me go ahead and start with a little bit of heaven. Okay, let's go ahead and go into hookup. And I'm gonna go with cleavage. Alright guys, I am back. Let me just go ahead and show you what I did. It's very simple, very natural kind of look. I really like the palette a lot. It does have quite a little bit of fallout, but that's nothing, you know, that would prevent me from buying it. Just to let you guys know, I did start, like I said, off with Heaven. I went in with a little cleavage in the crease, then I went into Au Natural in the crease as well. At the end of everything, I went into Risky Business, and I actually kind of outlined the outside a little bit to kind of give it more dimension, and on the bottom, I just went with cleavage. I don't know if I actually mentioned that I did put a little hookup in there as well. I'm sorry. But yeah, overall I like it. I think it's really natural, really pretty. Not complaining about it at all. Next, and moving on, I have something here by Sugar Rush, which is also made by the brand Tarte. This is called Best Bud, and it looks like it's a lip butter balm. This one retails at $12, and it is in the shade Peony. It looks like a baby pink, like a new little pink. The packaging in this is so freaking beautiful. It's just really cute. It's a little flower, yellow flower. This is what the packaging looks like. Like I said, super cute. Oh shit, this smells good. It smells like candy. That's probably why it's called Sugar Rush. It kind of almost just like a balm. I think it's just, let me see. Oh yeah, I could taste that. It's like a clear lip balm, which I am not mad about at all. Doesn't really do anything to the lips, like no color or anything like that. It's pretty nude, but it is very nice. It doesn't have like a sticky consistency or anything like that. It's nice to the lips, nice and smoothing, smoothing. And yeah, it's whatever. It's cute. I like it. It's not, it's whatever. And next over here, we have something by the product Milk. I'm sorry, by the brand Milk. And this is $15 from what it says online. And it says it's a glow oil lip and cheek. And this is in the shade Flare. From the packaging itself out here, it looks like it's going to be like an orangey kind of tint. I purposely did not put anything on my cheeks because I did want to see how this was going to be. So this is what it looks like. It's really cute. It's small. It's pretty tiny, as you can see in comparison to my finger. It looks like something that you could just pop in your purse. Wait, I probably have to take, what the hell? I have to pull. Oh, wait. I guess you have to bring it up. Oh, shit. And then take it off. There you go. So now you can see this shade. It's kind of what it looks like. Let me go ahead and do a little swatch. I don't know if you can see that. It's right there. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and touch on my lips a little bit. Oh, I actually really like that. Yeah, it's like a peach, like a shimmer peach color. I love it, and it actually kind of goes with the makeup look. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of this on my finger because it does say it's for your cheeks as well, and I'm gonna go ahead and pat it. It's a very natural, glowy peach blush. This is really cute. I actually really like it. I love that you can use this for both. I wish it was a little bit bigger because then obviously I would definitely want to use it more on my cheeks. But as you can see, I'll let you take a look at my lips. It's like a pinkish color. My cheeks are nice and rosy. And that's basically it. So like I said, this one does retail at $15. I really like this one a lot. I just wish it was bigger. But other than that, Yeah, so that is all that we have for the premium box this month. I went ahead and I added this up and it totals out to $171. Now, as far as the items in the box, I do love a lot of them. Overall, I feel like they could have done a little bit better because it usually says up to $175. And at the end of the day, this is a premium box. So I kind of want to say I expect a little bit more. If I have to give everything its ratings like I usually do, the number one would be this one for sure. The eyeshadow palette is beautiful. Number two, I would go with this one right here by Milk. Number three, I would go with the lip balm by Tarte by Sugar Rush. Then we move forward to the eye concentrate, which I do really like a lot, followed by the brows, which, like I said, I gotta perfect that, but I do like it a lot. And lastly, Pure Heals. So those are the items for this month. Let me know what you guys think. What was your favorite item in the box? Yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about it. I'm going to be doing another unboxing for the base box, which actually should be getting here today. So I will have that out after that one. I'm sorry, after this one. So yeah, until next time, guys. Thank you guys again for all your love, support. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe, like this. Muchas gracias. Appreciate y'all. Ciao.